your G-code. Here's the truth. Every CNC machine follows instructions blindly. If your code is even slightly wrong, the machine will still execute it perfectly and ruin your part perfectly too. So what are these codes actually doing behind the scenes? Let's break it down simply. Write down pointing backhand index. G-codes control movement, black right arrow G00, rapid move, no cutting, just positioning. Black right arrow G01, straight cutting motion. Black right arrow G0 to G03, circular cutting paths. Now imagine this, you accidentally use G00 instead of G01. The tool moves fast, instead of cutting smoothly. Collision symbol result. Damaged tool or bad surface finish. Then come M codes, they control machine actions. Small blue diamond M03, spindle on. Small blue diamond M05, spindle stop. Small blue diamond M08, coolant on. No coolant. Fire heat builds up. Tool wears faster. Finish gets worse. And here's where precision happens. Coordinates like X, Y, Z tell the tool exactly where to go. Feed rate, F, controls how fast it cuts. Spindle speed, S, controls how fast it spins. Even a small mistake here can completely change your result. So how do pro machinists avoid this? White heavy check mark, they double check every line of code. White heavy check mark, they understand what each command actually does. White heavy check mark, and they simulate before running the machine. Because in CNC, precision isn't luck, it's programmed. Master your code, and your machine becomes unstoppable. Ignore it, and even the best machine will fail you. Follow for more CNC tips, and comment CNC if you want advanced programming secrets. Fire.